Salut à tous, bonjour. So, students, today we are going to do Enchanté Livre 1 and Lesson 3. Okay, so I hope you have seen, if you have not seen Lesson 1, Lesson 2, kindly go through so that it will be easy to learn Lesson 3 to understand it better. Let's start Leçon troisième. Leçon troisième, okay, à la cantine. So canteen is same. In English, we say canteen. That is the same one. You can see this is the scene of the canteen. Okay, let's read first the conversation. So this girl is saying to him, Tu es au cinquième? Tu es au cinquième? Now he is replying, Oui, je suis au cinquième. Now she is asking these two, Vous êtes en quelle classe? Now they are replying, Nous sommes au cinquième, mais Clara est en sixième. Okay? And page numéro 36. Now, students, this we will read it again, in which I'll make you understand what they are saying. So, right now, just see what they are saying. She is asking one more time, Tu es au cinquième? Oui, je suis au cinquième. Vous êtes en quelle classe? Nous sommes au cinquième, mais Clara est en sixième. OK? Let's go next. Les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. OK? Les prénoms sujets, c'est-à-dire quoi? So here, OK. Les pronoms sujets. Le pronom sujet singulier, pluriel. Okay, so student, listen to me carefully. When I'm talking about, when I'm talking about myself, okay, if I want to say the things about me, I will use je. I will use je. Okay, if with me, one, two, three, un, deux, trois personnes. Now we are talking about us. Then je becomes nous. It means je is for singular person, first person, nous is the plural. Okay. Now this is pointing out her. It means he is talking, you are something like that. It means when you are talking to the second person, then you will address you. You. Similarly, if he in this picture see the trois person. Now he is addressing vous. To the second person, he is addressing vous. Okay. Vous is used in two ways. Here in case of plural and here in case of respect. So the student is talking to the teacher, but he is using vous. He is using vous. Okay. Next, this is third person. Now suppose like we are talking about this person. Okay, third person. We will say il. Okay. Similarly, for animals also we use il if they are male, and for female we will use elle. Okay. When there are plural boys, il becomes il plural avec s. We will use s. But if there is one boy, two girls, two boy, two girls means mix. Okay. Then also we will use il. Okay. L use for only use for female. Page numero concept. Okay. These are the subject pronouns. Let's read le. Let's do le verb être. Le verb être. Okay. We will just avoid it right now. See, this is the verb être. Okay, this is the root verb. This is called infinitive form. Which form? Infinitive form is which form? In which you are not conjugating your verb. What is the meaning of conjugating? Means when you are using your subject with verb, it changes. Let's take an example in English. Students, you have seen with I we use have. Okay, the root verb is have, to have, right? But this is root verb, this is infinitive. Okay, but when I'm using it in a sentence, I have, you have, but he has. Now, can you see when my subject is this, I'm using this, but when my subject changes, my verb also changes. This is called conjugation. In French, just the difference is that in every subject, my subject change, my verb changes. That you have to mug up. Like as in English, you have learned with I, we, you, they. We use have, he, she, it has. I am, he is. We don't say he am, right? That we memorize. Similarly, here we will memorize. So let's learn être verb. Okay, être, je suis. Right now, only mug it up. I'll tell you how to use it. Just mug it up. So when I'm talking about myself, if I want to talk about myself, I will use je suis. Just remember this. Avoid English. So if I want to say myself anything, let's take an example. Intelligent. We will use intelligent. Just a second. Okay. Intelligent. Here, this is intelligent pour masculin. For femina, we use intelligent with E. So that is for female, that is for masculine. Let's apply here. Let's make phrases. Now, suppose you have learned your verb être. Let's learn it. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Okay. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Repeat. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So you have to speak up so fluent like that. Je suis tué, il est allé, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Close your eyes. Je suis tué, il est allé, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. The first step is mug it up. Nothing. Mug it up. So learned. You have learned. Write it 2, 3 times. Learn it properly. Now the next step. Let's try to make sentences with this. Now I want to say for myself that je suis intelligent. मैं क्या हूँ? मैं intelligent हूँ. In French it will be je suis intelligente. क्योंकि मैं फीमेल हूँ तो मैं बोलूंगी je suis intelligente. Okay? If I want to say you, कि हाँ बच्चे, you are intelligent, I will say tu es intelligent. Masculin, tu es intelligente. Féminin. Okay? Il est intelligent. Il est intelligent. Elle est intelligente. Okay? Nous sommes intelligents. Now, students, nous sommes is the plural one. So, if it is masculine plural, you will just put S here. In case of plural. In female, put here. So, similarly, nous sommes intelligents. Nous sommes intelligents. It could be masculine or feminine. Similarly, vous êtes intelligente. Vous êtes intelligent. Vous, if it is femina, use this. If it is masculine, use this. Ils sont masculine plural. Ils sont intelligentes. Elles sont intelligentes. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Okay. So I just want to. Okay, let's make one more example so that verb is clear to you. Okay, let's see. We will do. Okay, black is okay. Let's take an example. The word is grow. Okay, grow means when you are tall. Okay, let's make sentence. Right? Je suis grand. If je is male, je suis grand. If female, grand. Okay. Now, if I wanna say tu es, तुम grand हो. ठीक है? Tu es grand. Masculine. If I'm pointing out or I'm saying to female, I will use tu es grand. Il, elle est Grand masculine, grand feminine. Clear, students? Nous sommes grand. Masculine. If it is feminine, use is es. Okay. Vous êtes same. Grand, grand. Ils sont grand or es. Here it will come. Okay, I hope it is clear. So in this way, you are able to make phrases. Now, what you have to do, use any adjective. If you want to say stupid है, intelligent है, सुंदर है, मतलब beautiful है, use adjectives and make sentences. Okay, Page numero 38. Qu'est-ce que c'est? This is the topic recap. It is a recap. Let's do this. Qu'est-ce que c'est? You know, students. So if you don't know, go to my Enchante Zero series. I have explained it very well. So qu'est-ce que c'est? She is asking, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now this is in plural. Ce sont des cahiers. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Singular. C'est une table. Okay. Now here is the concept qui est. So students, when you are talking about the non-living things, you will use qu'est-ce que c'est. But if you are talking about the living beings, we will use qui est. Okay. Like if I want to say, ये कौन है? Qui est. Okay. See example. This boy is saying qui est, and he is replying, say Mademoiselle Dubois. This is a name. So for girls, for respect, we will use this Madame. Okay, Madame, say Madame Dubois, right? Again, qui est? He is replying, ce sont des élèves. Ce sont des élèves. So school going student, we say élève. We also say the synonym, I'll let you know. That is étudiant. Okay, so élève or étudiant. This is masculine. So if the students are female only, then étudiant. Clear? No need to do this. Okay, it is clear. Ki yes, say. So if I want to say ki yes, ma'am, say Rahul, like that. For plural, we will use so so. Okay, page numero 39. Right? Le vocabulaire à la cantine ensemble en cinquième. En cinquième, when you want to say class 5. Okay? En sixième, class 6. En cahier, en crayon, en enfant, en étudiant, en gâteau, en livre, en nez. So you have to learn, students. And if you have like not learned, then go to Enchante Zero series. There are, I think, 10 chapters in which we have already done. Otherwise, rather than saying this English meaning, just go to the Google and type and see the images of these. It is easy to learn. Okay. Un oiseau, un papillon. Okay, look here. Whenever you have this ILL, it has the sound EO. Papillon. Papillon. Une cassette, une chaise, une disque, une étudiante, une pomme, une aigle, une robe, une voiture. Vous êtes en quelle classe? Okay, this is one sentence. Vous êtes en quelle class. So, student, what it means when you want to say in which class you study, you read, okay? You study, vous êtes quelle class? Okay, which class are you in? Or when I want to say en 5e or 6e, we will use these words, okay? Let's do exercise, but before this exercise, we will go back to this. Now, I hope if you understood that, you will easily understood this conversation. Diviso cinquième. Now see Q, être verb, en cinquième we did in the vocabulary. So diviso cinquième. So you are in class 5. Response C, oui, je suis. Did you understand? Je suis, être, je suis. He's talking about himself. Oui, je suis. Yes, I am in class 5. Je suis au cinquième. Now this is a line I have already told you. Vous êtes au quelle classe? Okay, response is nous sommes. So vous êtes, nous sommes au cinquième. So we are in fifth, but Clara est au sixième. So Clara is in CZM sixth class, right? Move to the next students. Let's do this exercise. Remplissez les bancs avec les pronoms sujets. What is pronom sujet? Understand it is je, you, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. What is this pronom sujet? Let's do this. A. So where we use it, remember? Okay, just recall. Hmm, je suis, tu es. Why I'm writing so that you can revise it, okay? Il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Okay? A. I have to fill pronom sujet. These are pronom sujet, je, tu. See A and I'll use tu. Okay? Right, students? Alice. Alice sounds like a female, right? Il, elle. And see this A. So it means I'll fit this. So if you sound like a female, then you will use L. If you find it male, you can put it L as well. Ma famille et moi. This is plural form. See, som. Som, what I'll fill there? Yes, very good. Nous sommes. Suis, suis, quel est le pronom sujet? Oui, sure. Priya et Shreya. दो person है. Elle, plural. So, elle. So, okay. It, see it. Vous êtes. Page numéro 40. Okay, done. Let's move next. So these are the pictures, there are the hints given. I told you when we are talking about living beings, I want to say who is this, what they, we will use key as. Key as. Okay, so this is easy, right? You can do it like say Mona Lisa. Okay, say Mona Lisa. And next is, okay, this is, I think, Alexandra Legrand. Oh, that is Maîtresse. Then Picasso, c'est Napoleon, PVC. Okay, I'm right. I'm just confusing the picture of Napoleon Alexandra, but it's okay. You can see what you're like. You can do. You can see the picture because here is the concept, students. Key yes. Okay, let me know as well. Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So it is sound like qu'est-ce que c'est? See, students, let's revise again. When you want to qu'est-ce que c'est, you want to answer. There are two ways. C'est pour singulier, ce, sont pour pluriel. Okay, singular. I'll use this option. Say already written here. For okay, then again here just learn. Say ce sont. If it is singular, femina, then use un masculin en. Plural, on will utiliser they. Just learn this structure. Again, c'est une femina, c'est un masculin, ce sont des plural. That you have to learn in the vocabulary which is male or female. Règle, femina. C'est une règle. Okay, livre. Ce sont plural des livres. Right? Okay, what is qu'est-ce que c'est? Table, femina, singular. For singular, I'm using say. Femina, I'm using un. Table, I'm using table. Got it? Now see, what I'll give command. See, it is singular or plural? Plural. So for plural option, so saw. For plural option, they and stilo. Okay. Again, plural. Okay. Plural. So they table, plural. Singular. Say the tableau. Page numero 42. Okay. Next is remplissez les blancs avec le verbe être. So before doing exercise, students just learn, write your verb every time. See, let's write again. Je suis, tu es, because this is a new thing for you. Okay, write it many times. Nous sommes, vous êtes, fill and so. Let's fill. Je suis. Okay, and one more thing, students, learn the phrases as well. See, only fill it je suis and done. No, just read the phrase je suis Zandia. Je suis Zandia. So, if you are Indian, how to tell about your nationality? Je suis Zandia. If I'm French, I'll say je suis française. So just change your nationality and the sentence is done. Mina Irina L sont grandes. Grande, I have already told you the meaning. Okay, nous sommes en sixième. Nous sommes en sixième. So that also done. Okay, now understand this. What it wants to say. Nous sommes en sixième. We are in sixth class. Okay, tu es beau. Tu es beau. Beau means students handsome, beautiful. But this bow is used in the sense of handsome for male only. If you want to say some female, you will use belle. So if you want to give a compliment to the female that you are beautiful, you will say tu es belle. But for male, tu es beau. Done. Il so il so tendia. Il so tendia. Now again, nationality. This is in plural case male. They are Indians. Also Tendian. Shika L-A Tendian. Now see the difference. Andia masculine singular. Okay. Masculine plural. For female, it is Andian. So if I wanna say for myself, I will say je suis Zandian. Femina. Masculine, je suis Zandian. Je suis Zandian. Okay. Again, this is a practice. Relie les column. Let's do to A. Can you see the way? Je suis. Okay. Vous êtes. Nous sommes. Elles sont. Elle est. Il est. Ils sont. Done. And écoutez, listening that you can do in your French lab. Okay, students. Page numéro 43. And please, if you really see the video, just like it, share it, students. It really helps me that these videos are really useful for you. Okay, and thank you so much.